I've got an idea. Have you got a minute? Welcome back to Lingoni English. My name is Emily, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use have got in English sentences. Are you ready to get started with this grammar lesson? Then let's go. In English, we use have got or has got to talk about possessions or things that we own, or attributes, things that we are. For example, I've got a phone. That is a possession. That is something I own. It is mine. I've got a phone. I've got blonde hair. My hair is blonde. I've got blonde hair. That is an attribute or something about me. So, in English, we use have got to express this sometimes. Here are a few more examples with have got. I've got a cold. Achoo! If you have a cold, that means you're sick. I've got a cold. She's got short brown hair. She's got short brown hair. He hasn't got many friends. He hasn't got many friends. They haven't got any shoes in your size. The store, they haven't got any shoes in your size. Okay, so let's go over how to form sentences with have got or haven't got. This is my glass of water. I have got a glass of water. You can also say, I've got a glass of water. So, subject plus have or has plus got and the rest of the sentence. She's got short brown hair. She has got short brown hair. And the negative. I haven't got a glass of water. I don't have it. I haven't got a glass of water. So, how do you form a sentence with the negative? Subject plus has or have not got the rest of the sentence. So, she hasn't got short brown hair. She has long red hair. She has not got short brown hair. Be careful. It is not she doesn't have got short brown hair. That is wrong. She hasn't got short brown hair. That's correct. Let's go over a few more sentences that you could accidentally make mistakes with. The right way to say it is, I've got a new car. I've got a new car. Not, I've a new car. You forgot the word got. I've got a new car. He's got a pet dog. He's got a pet dog. Not, he's a pet dog. He's got a pet dog. Do with have got. Here's an example. Have you got a pencil? Have you got a pencil? Not, do you have got a pencil? That's wrong. Have you got a pencil? You could also say, do you have a pencil? But you do not use the word got. Do you have a pencil? Have you got a pencil? Both are correct. It is correct to say, They haven't got a doctor's appointment today. They haven't got a doctor's appointment today. Not, they haven't a doctor's appointment today. What did we forget in the second sentence? What word did we forget? They haven't a doctor's appointment today. Got. They haven't got a doctor's appointment today. So when do you use have got or haven't got? Well, you use it for things or timetabled events. I've got dinner plans tonight. That is a timetabled event. I've got plans tonight. We've both got phones. We've both got phones. We've both got a cold. Achoo! We've both got a cold. You can use have got for other things too, like I've got an idea. I've got an idea. I've got a plan. I've got a plan. You've got a big problem. You've got a big problem. Okay, let's talk a little bit more about the question form. So how do you form a question with have got? It's easy. Have or has plus subject plus got. So, do you remember any of the questions from earlier in this video? Have you got a minute? Have you got a minute? Have you got everything you need? Have you got everything you need? Have they got any money with them? Have they got any money with them? You can also say, do you have? But remember, don't use got. Okay, so those are all the things you need to know about have got or haven't got. Let's review everything I told you in this video. Number 1, we use have got to show things we possess, things we have or own. I've got a phone. We use them for family or relationships. I've got 2 sisters. We use them for people and characteristics. He's got blonde hair and green eyes. We use it for illness. I've got a headache. I've got a cold. Achoo! Thank you so much for watching Lingoni English. Don't forget to go to lingoni.com to find more fun lessons and worksheets and interactive exercises. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.